Yes, people, what is going on? We are back. Today we are in a Honda Civic FD2 Type R with the famous K20. So we're just gonna take a little spin and yeah, enjoy this car basically. Put a seatbelt on, don't forget that. First time being in a this place. I'm in a Chiba today, prefecture east of Tokyo. It's first time I'm here, and first time in a FD2. So let's see, have a little nice drive. Let's see what this machine's all about. The sashi on this thing is so rigid. Handling's amazing. Light frame as well, huh? I love the VTEC. Not sure if we're going into residential or staying on this mountain. So, yeah. And this car can make for an excellent daily. It's got space in the back. These chairs are comfy, supportive as well. And yeah, I wouldn't see why I wouldn't have this as a daily. But yeah. Oh, this is phenomenal. It's pretty epic. I really wanted to get into VTEC again. Changes into something else. Yeah, that VTEC switchover is something else. There you go, we're in a countryside in Japan. Oh, what car is this? Classic. You guys see that? Needs some TLC though. Tunnel, don't know how long it is, not worth it. Great scenery up here. Fortunately, I couldn't really find any good open mountain roads over today. As I said, it was my first time being in this prefecture, so literally today I'm just exploring with the FD2 and just trying to enjoy what it has to offer. Usually I go up to Ibaraki prefecture, as I know the mountain road up there. The brakes are great. It's just the lightweight nimbleness. Oh, amazing. Just gotta watch out. There's sort of a few speeding cameras up here, which was a bit bizarre. Yep, sometimes you've got to just take in the view. Nice place. on the main road. I have no idea where I'm going, so I'm just gonna take a right. Good to go. I think that's it for the mountain roads. I mean, oh, it's still technically on a mountain, but one of those open roads. But yeah, this thing is an absolute beast. I would love to have one of these as a daily. And yeah, 6 gears as well on the motorway, highway, expressway, whatever you want to call it. There you go, I'm in 6th gear now. Cruise along. Yeah, it's all about that VTEC. Pretty sure these will be pretty fun on the track as well. But yeah. Alright, we're going to leave it at that. And thanks for watching. Tune in next time when I grab something else and take that for a spin. Hopefully we can get some better roads and explore a bit more of Japan with a different type of car. Yeah, thanks again. Peace out.